Rinnai Tankless water heaters are highly efficient appliances, but they can display error codes when issues occur. Code 11 is one of the most common error codes you might encounter. Code 11 specifically indicates an ignition failure. This means your water heater attempted to light the burner but was unsuccessful in creating a flame. When code 11 appears, it means the gas burner inside your water heater failed to ignite properly. This prevents the unit from heating water. The first step in troubleshooting code 11 is to check your gas supply valve. Make sure the valve is fully open, not just partially open or closed. Next, check the gas pressure. Insufficient gas pressure is a common cause of ignition failure. The water heater needs adequate pressure to create a proper flame. Inspect your gas lines for any visible damage, wear, or potential leaks. Damaged gas lines can reduce pressure and prevent proper gas flow to the burner. For newly installed water heaters, air trapped in the gas lines can prevent ignition. The gas lines need to be properly purged of air before the unit can operate correctly. Finally, try resetting the water heater unit and check your electrical panel. Make sure the circuit breakers are in the correct position and that the unit is receiving proper power. These basic troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of Rinnai Code 11 errors. Check each item systematically to identify and resolve ignition failure issues. Advanced troubleshooting for Rinnai Code 11 begins with inspecting the igniter system. The igniter is responsible for lighting the burner, and any damage or poor connections will prevent ignition. The flame rod detects whether the burner has ignited successfully. Dirt, debris, or loose connections on the flame rod can cause ignition detection failures, triggering code 11. Blocked air intake or exhaust venting can prevent proper combustion and cause ignition failures. Regular inspection of the venting system is crucial for safe operation. The inlet water filter can become clogged with debris, reducing water flow and affecting heater operation. Regular cleaning prevents flow-related ignition issues. Annual flushing removes mineral deposits that can interfere with proper operation. This maintenance procedure helps prevent various error codes, including code 11. If these advanced checks don't resolve code 11, or if you encounter damaged electrical components, contact a qualified technician immediately. Safety should always be the top priority when working with gas appliances.